Hello friends, this is Andiman here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial we will learn strings in more details and also some string methods. I know it's a huge delay from the last time I posted the video on variables and data types, but I was a little bit busy on my academics for a couple of weeks. So that's being said, let's get started with Python strings. So what is a string? String is nothing but just a sequence or series of characters. Character means any letter, number, punctuation mark, space or symbol that we type. In Python, anything inside the quotes is considered as a string in Python, and you can use both single or double quotes around the strings. So if we type inside the quotation, my name is Sandipan, or also we can write like this, my name is Sandipan inside the single quotation. Both will be considered as a string. Now to store these in a variable, we just have to code like this. So my underscore str equals inside double quotation my name is Sandipan. Now, one thing to remember, strings in Python are immutable, means they cannot be changed once created. Okay, so now let us learn about some of the useful string methods. In Python, we can change the case of the words or letters in a string. To do that, let us first define a string. So we can define like this, greet equals inside double quotation hello world. I have typed the L and D in uppercase in the word world intentionally, and you will get the reason soon. We can print the string like this. Print inside the parenthesis greet, the variable name. Now if I print it like this, print inside parenthesis greet dot title. So it will print the string in a title case, only the starting letters are in uppercase, remaining all are in lower. So the format is like variable name, then dot, and then the method name followed by a pair of parentheses. Now if we print like this, print inside parenthesis greet dot upper. Now this will print the string with all the letters in uppercase, as you can see. We can also print like this, print inside parenthesis greet dot lower, and this will print the string with all the letters in lowercase. So that's all about case changing methods in Python. Now we will learn about string concatenation. So we can concatenate two strings just by using the plus symbol or operator. Let's see an example. So here I am going to declare two variables, first name and last name, and store some values as part the name suggests. So it's always a good practice to give a meaningful name to the variables so that it can be understood what type of values it is going to store. So we have to write the code like this. First underscore name equals inside double quotation Sandipan. Then last underscore name equals inside double quotation DAS, Das. So as I have declared the first name and the last name, I may want to print the full name. For that, we have to concatenate these two strings. How to do that? So let me first declare a new variable full name to store the full name, and then we put the value like this. full underscore name equals first underscore name plus last underscore name. Now, if I print the full name, it is giving me the output as Sandipan Das. Now, we may want to give some spaces between the names. For that, we can just simply concatenate a space between the first name and the last name variable like this. Now, our output is looking much better. So, in this way, we can concatenate two strings. So, I suggest you to write some more examples and try to get the correct output. So, the next is the dot strip method. What it does, it removes unwanted white spaces from the string. So, let's say I am declaring a string fruit equals apple inside single quotation. And as you can see, I have mistakenly put some extra spaces at the end of the string. So if we print fruit.strip, it will remove the extra white spaces from the string and prints the output. So print inside the parenthesis fruit.strip, and you can see the output is as expected. So the next one is dot split method. So if we apply the split method on a string, it will return a list of substrings separated by a given delimiter. So if I define a string like this, fruits equals, and inside double quotation, apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. We can call the dot split method with a delimiter like comma and then print it. So print inside parenthesis fruits dot split and then the delimiter comma as the parameter of that function. And we can see it prints a list of fruits that are given into the string separated by commas. Another method is dot join. It joins the elements in a given list together with a string as delimiter. So if we declare a list like this, fruits equals inside third brackets apple, comma, banana, comma, orange, and each of them inside the double quotation to declare it as a string. So we can make it a string by joining the elements together with a string delimiter. We will learn about lists later, but as of now, assume this is a list of fruits and the elements inside the list are also strings. So we can print it like this: print inside a quotation dash and then dot join inside the parenthesis fruits, means the list name as the parameter. So as you can see, it joins the elements of the list with the given string delimiter. There are many more string methods you can find, all of them by printing dir with the parameter str, like this: print, then inside the parenthesis dir, then again inside the parenthesis str as the parameter. And you can see it will print all the methods available for the strings. So that's all about the strings and string methods. Now play around with the examples, write examples on your own and practice more to master the concepts. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.